In this video, we'll guide you through using your new Vesta SV80s sous vide cooker. This sleek and compact machine is perfect for home use. It's powerful, with a 1200 watts heater that can handle up to 40 liters of water, perfect for cooking for a crowd. Let's get started by cooking a delicious piece of salmon. First, find a suitable container, like a large pot or a plastic bin. Attach the cooker securely using the mounting clamp. Next, fill the container with water. It's very important that the water level sits between the minimum and maximum marks on the machine. If it drops too low, the display will show H2O and pause heating for safety. Next, plug in the device. To set the temperature manually, just press the Temp Time button. When the display blinks, use the up and down arrows to find your setting. You can tap the arrows to change the temperature 1 degree at a time, or hold them down to race to your number. Let's set ours to 54 degrees Celsius. Press the Temp Time button again. Now you can set the timer with the arrows. We'll set it for 30 minutes. To start, press the Start/Stop button. The display will show the current water temperature rising, and the indicator light will flash red. When the water reaches your set temperature, you'll hear 3 beeps and the light will turn a steady orange. Now, carefully place your vacuum-sealed salmon in the water. When the timer is up, the light will turn a steady green. Your salmon is ready. You can take it out now or leave it in the water until you're ready to serve. Now, let's look at how to control your sous vide cooker remotely using the Vesta Sous Vide app. First, download the Vesta Sous Vide app from your phone's app store. Open it, create an account, and log in. Inside the app, tap Manage Devices, then the plus button to add a new device. You'll be prompted to enter your home Wi-Fi details. Please note, your network must be 2.4 GHz. Now on your SV80s machine, press and hold the Start/Stop and Temp Time buttons together until the Wi-Fi icon starts to flash. Finally, tap Next in the app. It will now find and connect to your cooker. Once connected, you can give it a name and tap Done. Let's use the app to cook a chicken breast. Tap on Cooking Guide. Swipe through the food icons and select Poultry, then tap Chicken Breast. You'll see different doneness options. Let's choose Juicy and Tender, served hot. Then tap Send to Device. Now, just tap on your device's icon and hit Start in the Set Temperature page. You'll see the icon start to flash, and that's it. You can now monitor it from anywhere and come back in about an hour to a perfectly cooked meal. And that's how you master your Vesta SV80s. Thanks for watching and enjoy your culinary creations.